welcome. This is my 2008 Matador Red Mica ISF. A couple things have been done to her. She's been lowered on some Bilstein shocks and some Tein springs, or Tein springs. We have some aftermarket wheels, or I have some aftermarket wheels on her. I have some Forgestar CF10s in the front. They're 19 by 9s. And then some WedsSport TC105Xs in the back. Those are 18 by 9.5. For my tires, I have, I have some Firehawk Indy 500s on the front. They are 245/35 R19s. And then for my rears, I have some Continental Extreme Contact Sport 02s at 275/35 R18. So a little bit upsized from stock, nothing crazy. I don't have any issues with grip, maybe a little bit of slipping in first and second, but third, no problems. I have a full lip kit. Front lip, side skirts, rear spats. I don't have rear diffuser. It's kind of wanted to come off in the wind, so went ahead and took that off. Interior wise, everything's bone stock apart from some aftermarket magnetic paddle shifters, and then naturally a radar detector. And then a dash cam for accountability reasons. In terms of power, we have an intake, just a drop-in intake, and then a silicone intake tube, because the plastic stock intake would get heat soaked really fast and kind of notice some power drop from it. And then for the exhaust, stock headers, stock primary cats, secondary cat delete, resonator delete, and then going into a high flow muffler. And then I have a MagnaFlow dual exhaust, so it kind of gets rid of that double Y pipe and replaces it with a little X pipe. Not too loud, not too quiet. I think it's definitely louder in the cabin of the car than it is on the outside. Which, I mean, to each his own. It's fine when driving around in neighborhoods at night, kind of like this. So I'm not waking everybody up. And then I have some non-sequential VLAN taillights. And then connected to those, I have some LED rear reflectors that I recently installed. And those come on with braking, turn signaling. They come on with the headlights as well. So, it's pretty nice. I'm like all in the way. So because she is lowered, I do have some issues with scraping every once in a while, but nothing insane. I've been in lower cars, and so this isn't horrible. It's not too bad. Let's go for one more. This is the Uniden R3. I'm broke, so it's not the cheapest radar detector I could find. I mean, it's still like $200-300. But for its price point, it's done me well. I have no issues. And then for my dash cam, it is a Viofo, I think, yeah, something like that. A129, and I have it hooked up front and rear. Because I've been in a handful of wrecks. Fortunately, none of which my fault, but the fact that there was a camera present has saved me from any liability. So I always vouch on a dash cam. And then we have my little dash Scorpion, Poochie. So it kind of comes along, tags along on my rides. So this car is by no means the fastest car on the road. Never ever gonna claim that to be the truth. But it is plenty of fun to drive. Handles fantastic. Only complaint so far, gas. Not friendly on the gas. Definitely more than enough power to have fun. Even at bone stock, I would say completely bone stock, maybe just an intake and an exhaust, and you're having fun. Maybe some better tires, but you're having fun. Yeah, for 2008, 75,000 miles. Cannot complain. Alright. Switch into a little bit of fun. We gotta close this. There is a little bit of some straight roads, some straight highway coming up here in a bit. So we'll kind of okay. Love that. Down a little bit. I do have some PPF around the car, in the little door, between the door handle and the door, on the mirrors, and then on the front of the car, but it's kind of scratched and cracking, so I gotta like heat gun it all off and then put some more on, but just takes time and elbow grease. one of my exhaust hangers. It came loose, and it's on the left side, so the driver's side, so it's all rattling. It's an easy fix. It's just, so I'd have to either stop by a shop to get it done, or one of my buddies who has a welder, just to kind of reconnect it. Just because, I mean, for the most part, it's not too big an issue. You don't hear it often, but sometimes when you're like idling at a red light, you'll hear it like rattle around a little bit. Stuff is cool. Could be the construction, but no, people are working. But like, look at that. That looks insane. It's just a wall. That is so cool, and it's so thick too. And then it's done, just like that. But yeah, hope that you guys liked the video. Also, let me know about the camera position, if it's too high, if it's too low, if it's too overexposed, too underexposed. Just so I know what to kind of improve with going forward. I have a couple of ideas for like future videos. Definitely some daytime content, because having to record every video at 3:30 in the morning probably isn't the best idea. I know there's a lot to improve upon. I don't have an unlimited budget, so the equipment that I get to use is quite limited. My only social, really, my Instagram will be in the description. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, hope to see you in future videos. Have a good one.